Established in 2015, Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission to promote cooperative federalism, but remains a limited advisory body without resource allocation powers. States expressed dissatisfaction with Niti Aayog, citing inadequate budget allocations and boycotting meetings, reflecting strained center-state relations. Unlike the Planning Commission, Niti Aayog lacks resource allocation powers, only offering advisory roles and state evaluation indices, limiting its impact. Competitive federalism, driven by Niti Aayog's indices, fosters a comparative mindset among states, leading to unintended consequences and unequal resource distribution. The double-engine government promise by BJP creates an imbalance, favoring BJP-ruled states in investment projects, increasing center-state tensions. The NDA government heavily relies on special packages and statuses for states like Bihar and Andhra Pradesh to address development demands. The 15th Finance Commission aims to address horizontal imbalances between states, while the Finance Ministry focuses on macroeconomic stability and development. There is a pressing need for institutional support at the center to promote true cooperative federalism and ensure state development. Niti Aayog should reclaim some Planning Commission responsibilities, play a role in resource allocation, and improve center-state coordination. Regular dialogue, proper power distribution, and inclusivity are essential for strengthening cooperative federalism and addressing state concerns. A re-evaluation of Niti Aayog's role and functioning is crucial to balance center-state interests and ensure inclusive national development. A serious re-evaluation of the role and functioning of Niti Aayog is necessary. Cooperation of all stakeholders is crucial for true cooperative federalism. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure the country's overall and inclusive development. Join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp for free study and PDF material.